everybody? This is New Moon Entrepreneurs, where we bring you to our residually Zen world. And today we're going to be talking about PUML, a fitness token that is doing a exchange grand opening on Hotbit, and right now is a very time sensitive situation. So the faster you can get these 3 steps that I'm about to give you guys done, the better. All right, so let's get into it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get ready for liftoff. All right. So, as everybody can see, we're on Hotbit right now, and here it is. Boom. PUM. So, in order to benefit from what I'm about to tell you, you understand this information right here. All right. So, Hotbit will launch PUML Better Health on February 10th, 2021. That's this year, tomorrow. All right. Hotbit, dear respected, this was 21 minutes ago. Dear respected users, Hotbit is scheduled to list PUML Better Health on growing section. Deposit function launches at 2021, 6 a.m. UTC. Trading function 6 o'clock a.m. UTC. Withdrawal function launches at 2/10/2021, 6 a.m. UTC. And the trading pair will be PUML to USD. All right. So, it also says that Hotbit users exclusively enjoy minus transaction fee mechanism. By placing and settling any maker order, the user will enjoy 0 transactions and an extra 0.50% of the trading volume of his or her maker order on growing section. Project name PUML Better Health PUML. All right, so we read all of this, right? So now that you know that this is a legit trading pair that's about to be listed on Hotbit, here's the steps in order to getting the free tokens so that you can then exchange them on the 10th on Hotbit for USDT. All right, so how you make a profit. So we're gonna go back and we're gonna go to my PUML app. All right, link will be in the description for the PUML app, and the link will be in the description for Hotbit. All right, so here we are. The PUML app. So you see here, I have a balance of 30 PUML. And here is where the sending and the buying of PUML happens. These two. This is how you're going to be able to send it to Hotbit and then exchange it for USDT. Okay, so when you make an account with PUML, you want to go here, earn 20 ML, invite a friend, right? So you want to copy your link, and then you want to send it out to people. Okay, so you send your link out once you make an account, and then you can either post it on Facebook, you can post it on Twitter, you can post it on Instagram. You can make a YouTube video the same way I'm doing it. If you're making it on Facebook, I have a post that you can use. I use WhatsApp. I use Telegram. It's a bunch of different outlets that you can promote your link to. So, okay. So that's basically all you need to do in order to start getting some PUML tokens before the 10th, before they receive a price, and then you can exchange the PML tokens for USDT. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to message me on WhatsApp or Facebook, or Telegram. All right. So once again, this is New Moon Entrepreneurs, and we're signing off to our residually Zen world. You dig? Peace. Get ready for liftoff in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.